So let's say you want to use Freemode on Vodacom, right? So the first thing first, right, make sure you do not have data at all, right? Make sure you do not have data at all and follow my steps, right? Follow my steps. So before that, just want to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, and on my next video get it. Shout out. Okay guys, as I said, make sure you do not have data at all, right? And after that, so now say you don't have data, right? So all you have to do, just have to scroll, right? Switch on your data, right? Switch on the data and you'll see something like this. It's supposed to pop up right here, right? Yes, click here. Yeah, no internet, right? Click it, right? Click it. And then it will take you to this page. Sometimes you may not see this page, right? So if you do not see this page, all you have to do is just have to go to your browser and type this, right? Type this, right? Type this.
/delete go.
Right, type this, and then you can see right here, right? Just have to agree and then click here. Go to free Facebook, click it, and then free Facebook bundles, right? All you have to do is just have to activate, right? Activate, click on activate. Okay, success, right? So note that sometimes if you do not buy data, you may not see this, right? You may not see this, and then you'll immediately receive an SMS, right? See there, right? Will give you free the TMB. So I had like this data, you can see pictures, you can even see videos, right? So that's what I like about it, guys. So make sure you enjoy it. You can do this every day as long as sometimes you buy data, guys. So if you like this video, please make sure you hit that like button. If you find this video very helpful, make sure you hit that like button. And if you want free airtime and free vouchers, watch this video. We'll see on how to get them for free.